Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Cosytights. So Cosytights is a fleece lined pantyhose that gives a transparent look. This was sent to me complimentary for testing purposes, and I'm excited because I don't know, it's all one color, so it might look a little too light skinned for me, but we're gonna try it. I'm really excited to see what it does. So yeah, and my producer over here told me that it's not pantyhose, pantyhose. So whatever guys, pantyhose, pantyhose, I'm a hoe either way, just kidding. Really super excited to try it because it has been snowing like crazy, and I don't really wear skirts in the winter, but maybe this will allow me or make me want to go in the skirt route a little bit more. So I'm excited to try it out for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe and notification bell so that we can see all my amazing videos that I do. I'm nervous because this is the biggest size they had, extra large, but you guys know, if you've been on my channel long enough, every time I say I don't think it's gonna fit, it always fits. So let me not prejudge, and I'm gonna put on a whole fit for you guys and tell you guys what I think. So I'll be right back.
So do you want me to, want me to? So do you want me to, want me to?
So I'm noticing that there's like a butt part. It's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. I'm gonna put them on now. Okay, so I have the pantyhose on. They are a little light in my opinion. I'm also a plus size woman, and the largest size that they have is the XL, and I don't feel like this can fit anyone, even like I barely fits me. Like, it's kind of tight around my thighs, so I don't know, but they're really super durable. So if you're smaller than me and I'm not sure if they're my skin tone or not, I'm gonna go ahead and put the full outfit on and you guys can comment below what you think. But they're really super durable. I don't think you can get runs in this. It was so, like, I was literally tugging at it because when it's too tight you have to tug on it, right? So I'm gonna show you like this. Actually, this is what it looks like, guys. This makes me feel like an old person. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't know. Comment below if you think this fits my skin tone. It would be nice if they offered other colors like my skin tone or darker, because we need to be a little bit more inclusive. So hopefully they'll start to incorporate that soon. I'm gonna give them the feedback personally. I'm gonna email them and let them know that's what I thought. But let me go ahead and put on a full outfit so you guys can see the full complete look. I have the outfit on. I'm gonna back up. All right, what do you guys think? I'm really comfortable now that I have the whole fit on, but that's because I have a onesie. I have a onesie on, so it's kind of keeping everything up. But yeah, I mean, they're comfortable. I really hope that the brand becomes more inclusive. I hope that they offer black and black, just straight black, and more skin tones like my color or deeper tone colors. I'm gonna let them know that, because I feel like this is only for one skin tone. Like, I'm lucky enough that I can technically pull it off and nobody would notice, but I feel bad for the people who need the same thing and it looks different. So yeah. The bottom actually is not, just in case you guys are wondering, the bottom, like where the feet are, it isn't the fleecy material. They leave space there for your feet to be normal. Actually, if you look at my toes and you look at my it's the same color. It don't really look any different, right? So I don't know, I think it works for me. This is such a cute outfit. If you guys want to purchase this outfit, I'll link it at the description box so you guys can know. I got this shirt from Rep Dolls, this from Old Navy. But yeah, I'll also link where the Cosytights are from as well. I think I have a coupon code. So I do have a coupon code. The coupon code is XO Leslie. I'll link it in the description box. But like I said, they really are warm. Like, I'm burning up, I'm sweating. Like, now you can go outside in something like this and be warm. I think it's super innovative. I think that it's a great idea. It's just not inclusive yet. I was looking at their website and they have like different packages, so you could just buy one, you can buy two, or you could buy three, and it's like a packet deal. So it looks like it's on sale right now. I think it says Valentine's Day sale, 50% off. So if you want to purchase it, this is the time to do it. And like I said, I have an additional 30% off coupon, XO Leslie. I hope you guys purchase yours and you like it. Hopefully you're a lighter skin tone buying it. And like I said, hopefully they become a little bit more inclusive in their pantyhose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was dramatic because I could barely get them on. Please, my plus size ladies, I'm a size 16. If you're any bigger than me, don't do it. It's not gonna fit. But for the smaller ladies, it's perfect for y'all that are light skin. So I really hope they come up with a brown one though. All right, see you in my next video. Peace.